to show you an overview of our interactive panel, the Z Pro. Now, I've already turned it on, but if you need to turn yours on, it's actually right here in the back right of your panel. Now, there is a video, and you'll hear me say that because we have a whole playlist just for the Z Pro. There's a whole video on all the buttons back here, but your power is the very top. Now, depending on how your admins have set the board, I have mine locked, and it's super easy to unlock. I just pull up, and now I can put my PIN number in. 2 ways to do that. You can see that QR code right here. That keeps it a little bit more secure, so now I can take a picture of it with my phone, and I can put that passcode in. Or I can manually input it. I have a super secret one of 4 zeros. And now here I am at the home screen of the Z Pro. Few things you're going to notice. It looks like a tablet or your smartphone. If you can work a tablet, you can work this Z Pro. First thing I want to point out is a Google search. If I click in there, a keyboard will pop up, and now I can actually search for what I want to search for. It's right here, this little circle will always take me back home. You'll notice we have embedded already some Google apps, your Sheets, your Docs, your Play Store, including your Drive. You can always log into the Drive first, and then it will log you into all of the other apps. If it is a shared profile, you can just sign into whatever one you need. Just make sure to sign out after you're done using the interactive panel. So I've got Docs, Slides, Play Store. There is a video on downloading apps, including the Play Store and our native embedded Newline App Store. You'll notice our source widget. Not only can I use my panel for pretty much anything, I also have the ability to plug in different things. I have a front Type-C, HDMI. I can plug any device in over here. So my power is on the other side, but if I want to plug in a laptop, anything like that, it can be right back here. One of my favorite things about Newline is that we also have Newline Cast. So if I do want to share a screen, I don't have to plug it in. Check out our Newline Cast playlist. I think you guys will really like it. Right in between the two is my settings widget. And that will take me to all of my settings. I can control so many things. I can go to dark mode, change my time zone, even power settings, so I can be energy efficient, which is, you guessed it, another playlist. So go ahead, play around on it, and again, I can hit my little circle to get me back home. The whiteboard, there is a whole, you guessed it, playlist for it, but now it works just like a regular whiteboard. I can write with my fingers, or I can write with my Newline stylus. Now I'm just going to go fun with my purple. And if you notice, I'm not having to click in between things. That's because of the object recognition. So it can tell when something thin, like the purple, or thick with my highlight. Now, you'll notice I don't have a little circle to get back home. How can I get back to my home screen? That will be here in the toolbar, this little white circle. I just hit the second one down, and there is a full video of all the things the toolbar does. So you have heard me mention downloading apps from our Newline App Store, but you don't see it right here. We have tons of other apps embedded in here. These are just the 12 most popular. So if I go ahead and I pull up everything I have down here, I have access to calculators. Anything I download will also show up down here, including my Newline App Store. When I download things, they will also populate over here. The Z Pro is fully customizable. So let's say I use PowerPoint all the time. I can just press and hold, move it around, and now I can customize my front page so I can get to things super duper quick. When I am done using the panel, if I'm done completely and I need someone else to sign in, I have the option right here if there's other profiles. And then you can just sign into whatever profile the next person wants. Or let's say it's one profile, or I'm not done presenting and we just need to take a break. I can also lock the screen. This is especially great if you've got some proprietary things that you don't want everyone seeing. I can just click that power button, hit lockdown, and it will take me to that same screen that we had when I started this video.